guys, showing you guys how to replace the factory amp on the Acura TL 2004 to 2008. This is a kick panel here. You just pull this to the side, pull the kick panel out, and then this would be slid on here. You just slide this out like so, and then you hit the tab here to release the connector. Okay, that disconnects the connector. Keep in mind, guys, I am doing this with one hand. Okay, now there's going to be a 10mm bolt here. There's going to be another one right here, down here, right there. There's going to be another 10, and then there's another 10 right up in here. Can't really see that back there. There's another 10 right there on the top. Alright, so what you start by doing is you loosen out these 10s here on the bottom. Comes out, then you loosen out the other 10, which is right here on the side. You just loosen that one out, that one comes out, so then this will be loose. So this connector is already connected. So then with this one up top here, the amp won't sit like this, it'll sit a little higher. So all you gotta do is take the ratchet and put it up top here and unscrew the 10mm bolt up here, but you're gonna need an extension like so, and then just unscrew that one up top here. You can use, like, you know, this is a 6-inch extension. You can use another extension. You can use 2 6s or whatever, and then just reach in and unscrew it back there. So once you loosen that bolt back there, which is right here, once you loosen that 10, you should be able to just slide the amp to the side like so. Okay, now once you slide the amp to the side, there's going to be 2 connectors here. It's going to be one here. You just press on the tab on the top, pull out the connector, and this one too. I'm going to pull that tab out real quick. That one took a little bit more strength to pull out. This one takes a little bit more strength to pull out. Then after that, you'll see that this is like strapped onto the top here. So you just pull this tab forward and it'll release this. And then the amp will pop out, and this is the old amp. And then just install the new one in reverse order. First I like to do is put the connectors in like so. Put the connector in. So. Alright. Then you just flip this sideways. So you see that nut there? It'll sit. This hook right here will sit around it. Just flip this. And it's around it and sit around it. So that's hooked around the bolt up top. Then you just put these 2 10s back in. Then you put this other connector back in. This is pretty simple. It doesn't take you long. If you have to turn your radio up, your factory radio up to like 40 in order to get your music loud, then this is what you would have to do in order to replace the amp for the factory speakers. Okay, just put those 2 bolts back. Slide back on this tab connector here, on this connector, and then just put the fender on, the cover back on, and that's it. You're good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.